What, sweetie?
All right. So Bitcoin has just crossed 80,000. And guys, this is come here. This is my wife, Michelle. So I just told her that Bitcoin was 80,000 and she said, quote, "Are you selling it?" She's like, "What do you call crypto?"
Nothing.
She calls it funny money. It is. Anyway, guys. So Bitcoin is 80,000. Hey, we're watching Fox News, the pre-show for the football. It's a good day. We got crypto. What are you doing today? Drop in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Are you set to, if you're in the States here, watch some football? But I was getting ready to do a video.
Football.
Now that's something she's happy about. Football. Thank you, honey. All right. So I was going to do a video. I was going to do kind of a news video. And then I saw this. I saw Bitcoin up over 80,000. And I'm like, well, obviously we have to talk about that. We have to talk about what's going on. Sorry about my nose is itching. We have to kind of look at everything. And this is unprecedented what we've got seeing going on. Now, this is the bull run, guys. I mean, in my opinion, this is it. We are here ever since the U.S. presidential elections, and the tides are turning and changing here in the States with the presidential elections, the Senate control, all that. We are now going to have a neutral at worst stance on crypto from the powers that be. But again, we all know it's really going to be more than that. It's going to be positive. Yeah, it's been absolutely an unprecedented run. And we got Bitcoin up 16%. Another one I want to show you. I don't know if you've been seeing this one or watching this one, but look at Radium. Radium has just gone on a tear. Look at this. This is a buy alert right there. 250% Radium in 29 days. That is crazy, crazy. By the way, that little green box there, momentum up, that's a buy alert coming from my software that I talk about in pretty much every video. Why? Because it works. And it tells you when to buy and when to sell any and all cryptos. A 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. There's a discount code down there. If you're on X, it's above me. The link, the quarterly option is the best. But I mean, that's what it does. It gives you a buy alert. And by the way, you set up alerts on your phone. So you just literally, you'll be sitting there and you're like, boom, this little alert will say, time to buy Radium, right? Or time to sell Radium, or time to buy Bitcoin, or time to buy whatever it may be. Like here's Chronos. I'm just kind of jumping around on you. But like there's Chronos. There's a buy right there. Before Chrono took up 90% in 5 days. So to put that in perspective, $1,000 bought of Chrono 5 days ago had made you already $900. $1,000 bought of Radium 29 days ago would have made you a profit of $2,498, $2,500 off $1,000 investment. Yeah, it tells you when to buy and sell. So check it out, give it a shot. Bitcoin over, and it's still moving. Look, it just went from 80,200 to 80,630. This is it, guys. The bull run's here. We're here. We know what's happened. We had the elections. We're now going to get regulatory clarity. We're going to have framework. We're going to have all that. This is institutional money starting to buy in. And it's not just Bitcoin. It is pervasive. I mean, the overall market has gone from, what was it, 2,300,000,000,000, probably what, 12, 13 days ago, maybe more, to it's added $400+ billion market cap, 5% up today. This is almost standard now when you're like, yeah, it's up 3 or 4%. Woohoo. You know, we got Ethereum running. It's not just Bitcoin. I know this is a Bitcoin video, but I really wanted to show you, obviously tell you we've got everything. Look at Dogecoin's up 86%. We all know why. Elon Musk, the Department of Governmental Efficiency, Doge, we know that. But Bitcoin on fire. And look, I've been telling you guys to buy Bitcoin. I've been telling you guys for months and months and months to load up. I've been telling you to lean in and buy when it was depressed, when we were down in the low 50s, 60s. That's very much in our rearview mirror now. And hey, Austin, is it too late? No, it's not too late. If you have a long-term view of crypto, if you're looking at, hey, do I buy Bitcoin now, or do I buy a little bit of Bitcoin? Do I buy some Ethereum? All that. The answer is yes. I talked to a buddy of mine yesterday. He called me. And he was like, hey, Austin, I want to put some money in the crypto market. And I'm like, he's like, what do you think I should buy? And I said, well, of course, this is not investment advice and blah, blah, blah. And I said, look, here's what I would do. He already owns some Bitcoin. He already owns some Ethereum. And we talked about that a little bit. I said, what I would do from that is I would just go within the top 20 or 25. And if you want to own some meme coins, some Doge, Shiba, whatever it may be, but, you just basically could load up and kind of distribute it evenly. It's what I was saying to him. You could buy Solana, Cardano. Obviously Cardano's been on fire recently because we all know that with Charles Hoskinson. Now I think he has confirmed that he is now going to be part of some type of a crypto advisory role to the new administration, which is amazing, and all that kind of stuff. But I just said, look, if you stay within the top 25 and then just have an attitude of I'm going to buy it and I'm going to sell. This is a buy and hold strategy, right? Buy it. I'm just going to hold it for a year, 2, 3, kind of lock up the key. You don't look at it, if you will. You're going to outperform any other gains, even on the stock market or whatever it is. And so, that's kind of what I wanted to share with you. But I think I really wanted to make this video, truthfully, to celebrate this, to celebrate that we are seeing Bitcoin run, and the FOMO's kicked in a little bit, the fear of missing out, which we needed to, because it's FOMO that brings a lot of people into the market. When they start to see coins and tokens run like we're seeing on these 7-day percentages, like 88 for Dogecoin, 88 for Cardano, 67% for SHIB, 42% for Avalanche, 38%. I mean, it's pervasive. What was that? 66 for SUI. As I said, you almost, if you want to looking for an investing strategy, literally top 25, you can't go wrong. You could throw a dart and everything's moving up. In Austin, is it too late to buy? Is it too late to get in? The short answer is no. And I'm going to use Cardano as an example. I know this is a Bitcoin video, but we've segued into kind of now an investing strategy video. This is how I look at it. If you look at Cardano and it's at 62 cents right now, go back and look at their all-time high right there. If we can get on it, there it is. That was set back in 2021, right? $2.95, just shy of $3, and it's trading at 62 cents right now. So, and this is just an example. That's it. That's my example. If you look at the all-time highs, A, the crypto showed and proved that it could get to that number. B, how much is it off that number? 62 cents off of $2.95 is it's a dramatic discount. If you buy Cardano today, as an example, you're buying at a dramatic discount versus that all-time high. And in crypto, that's a very simple way to look at it, and there's nothing wrong with doing that. And always remember that everything is driven by Bitcoin and Ethereum and the blue chips, and then the rest shall follow, right? And, look at it versus all-time high, and it's at a discount. Everything is at an all-time discount, except for obviously Bitcoin. Ethereum's all-time high is like 4,900 and change, so it's at a nice discount. But you can just look at anything like Solana. What's Solana's all-time high? So you can see Solana starting to get a little bit back to it. Solana's all-time high right here was $2.41. Solana's getting back to its all-time high. Does that mean it's a bad investment? No, not at all. But maybe there's better ones like Cardano that's got that so much room to move back to that all-time high, a ground, if you will, and Solana. I mean, I own a ton of Solana, but you see what I'm getting at, right? All right. So I'm sorry. I digress, went off on a tangent here. Be sure to check out my software. Links in the description below. It's above me over on X. Look at that, a Radium. And by the way, it's not hard to use. I have a thank you page, shows you everything you need to do to set it up afterwards, show you how to create everything. You're up and running in 20 minutes. You got 30-day, no questions asked, refund guarantee. Give it a shot. But let's celebrate Bitcoin right now, 80,000 plus. See you. Bye.